Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, to discuss how much memory can be required in the data type variables using of C program. In the C program, to calculate the how much memory can be required the variable using the one function, the function is size of. The size of function to calculate the variable how much memory can be required in the programming level. See, simple example for that one. I can write the documentation section. The documentation section means example for size of function in C language. The link section, we know the link section hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h. We know that we can write the main function, the starting point, compile and execution of the any C program. You can open the parenthesis like that. You can declare the some data type variables and keyword. Like into is a keyword, a is a variable. Similarly, float is a keyword, b is a variable, c double is a keyword, c is a variable, c char is a keyword, character keyword, x is a variable, c bool, the keyword of boolean, bool is a keyword, y is a variable. See how much can be required memory. This is the variable. We can using the directly printf statement is one of the output statement, output function. The integer memory, int memory equal to percentage u, u means unsigned specified symbol, comma, using of the function size of. In the size of we can pass the integer variable. The integer variable is a. Similarly, another printf statement. The printf is one of the output function in C language. Float memory or required memory, you can write the any one, percentage u unsigned, comma, size of. This is the function name. We can pass the float variable is b. After completion of the next statement, we can write the printf. Another is double memory equal to percentage u size of c. Similarly, we can write the character printf statement, printf char memory is equal to percentage u, comma, size of character variable is x. Similarly, write the next statement to char. The next statement is boolean. We can write the printf bool memory equal to percentage u within double quotes close, comma, size of. Okay, the bool variable is y. You can close the printf statement. Finally, we can declare the getch function. After completion of the statement, we can close the parenthesis. This is the simple program for how much memory can be calculated data type variables using of C language. Okay. In this program, this is the integer keyword int, a is a variable. This is the floating point keyword, float is a keyword, b is a variable. This is the double data type, double is a keyword, c is a variable. This is the character, char is a keyword, x is a variable. This is the boolean, bool is a keyword, y is a variable. We can print the how much memory can be calculated these variables, how much memory can be calculated these variable using of the size of function. Each size of function can be passing the different variable. The a is a integer, b is a float, c is a double, x is a character, y is a boolean. These are the different variables of the data type. Thank you watching my channel. Please subscribe, give me any comments in this video. Thank you.